Did you know that more than 36% of small businesses still do not have a website? But if they do not have a website, then how do these businesses attract customers? Well, instead of bringing customers to their store, they reach out where their customers love to spend their free time. And where's that? Well, as the video title suggests, we are indeed talking about your favorite social media platform, Instagram. Instagram, once known for sharing selfies and those cute pictures of our pets, is slowly transforming into an e-commerce marketplace, where you, as a small business owner, can directly sell to customers. I'm Anjali from Status Brew, and if you don't want the overhead of creating and maintaining a website, I'll share a few tips with you today to help you sell on Instagram without a website. If you're looking for the complete Instagram selling process, check out the blog post linked in the description below. Tip number 1. Setting up a business account. Since your Instagram account is going to be at the forefront of this whole thing, you need to make the most of it. An Instagram business account will give you an edge in selling through Instagram. Here are some of the benefits of having a business account. Instagram Insights, promoted posts and advertising, shop in app, post scheduling, contact buttons. Now converting into an Instagram business account hardly takes a couple of minutes. Open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Tap the hamburger menu at the top right and go to settings, and then to your account. Now tap on switch to a professional account and select business. You will now be directed to connect your Facebook business page to your Instagram business account. This step is optional in case you don't have a Facebook business page. Add the necessary contact information and you're done. Ensure that you add as much information as you can. Use your Instagram bio to define your business and USP as clearly as you can. This will be the first thing your customers read when they land on your Instagram account. Tip number 2. Feature products on your page. When you visit a physical store, the first thing you do is ask the shop owner to show you the products. You get the chance to get hands-on with them before purchasing. Similarly, if you start selling products online, your potential customers wish to see the product in all its glory. So try to take some high-quality pictures and videos of your products and share them on your feed and stories. Instagram carousel posts generally do a lot better in terms of reach and engagement. So try to use these to your advantage and feature your product from different angles and in different scenarios. You can also ask your happy customers to click a few pictures of the product being used in their day-to-day life. Ensure that you give a shout out to these customers. Tip number 3. Set up payment options. It's now time to drive your audience from browsing your products to placing an order. You can use your bio to accept the order details by attaching a link to an order form. You can also ask your customers to place orders directly via DM or through a messaging app like WhatsApp. Try to offer as many payment options as you can to avoid losing out on customers due to lack of payment options. Tip number 4. Leverage Instagram stories. Create intriguing and exciting Instagram stories around your product. Here are some of the ways you can use Instagram stories to sell more products. First, countdowns. Use the countdown sticker in your story for the launch of a new product or to announce a special offer. 2. Polls. Use the polls feature to learn more about your audience or to get feedback about a product. 3. Highlights. Your Instagram stories will disappear after 24 hours, but if you want your future audience to see your stories such as user testimonials and product features even after they disappear, Make a collection of them in your highlight section. To create your story highlight, go to your profile, tap the circle with the plus sign below your bio. A selection of all your stories will be displayed. Now you can select the story of your choice and add it to highlights. Tap next once you're done selecting your stories. The next step is to name your story highlight and add a cover for it. Do remember that Instagram allows only 15 characters to name story highlights. Tip number 5. Be strategic in DMs and comments. Instagram DMs and comments provide an excellent chance to create a personal experience with your audience. Use them to connect with your customers in a friendly manner that builds trust. If you're running multiple Instagram accounts and having trouble managing all the engagements, using a platform like Status Brew could eliminate these troubles. Your comments, DMs, mentions across social are delivered real-time in your unified inbox. And you can even run automation to save time and quickly respond to customer queries. To witness the Status Brew difference, start your free trial today. That's it for now. If you want to see more tips, check out our blog on the same. And if you haven't already, do hit the subscribe button. We'll have a new video for you every week. Ta-da!